Hello everyone.
Welcome to Fooders Medicine channel. Raw banana green curry. Green sauce is prepared for this curry, which is full of healthy minerals and vitamins. The preparation of this curry will take only 20 minutes of time. Let's see it. Take one raw banana, cut into small pieces and put it in water. In a bowl, take quarter cup of coconut, 8 curry leaves, handful of coriander leaves. Then add 4 green chilies, add 6 to 7 garlic. After that, add half cup of water to this and grind it in a mixie. Add grounded paste to a bowl. In a dry pan, take 2 spoons of oil and heat it. Once it gets heated up, add 1 spoon of mustard seeds. Wait until it splatters and then add half spoon of salt to this. Add 4 pinch of hing for flavor. Add just 4 curry leaves. We already added curry leaves in that paste, so no need to add much in this. Now add raw banana to this. While adding raw banana, make sure the flame is low and then add it. Add 1 spoon of salt to this. Add quarter spoon of turmeric. Mix this very well. Usually raw banana stick to the bottom of the pan, so keep it low and mix it very well. Now this raw banana will cook in a green gravy. I am going to add that grounded paste now. Just add the grounded paste to this. It is really thick. Mix it very well so that it will get coated with the raw banana. The flavor will be really good. Add some water to this. I have added water to the bowl, so that's why it is green in color. This is about half cup of water. Just mix it very well and we need to cook this for 5 minutes and your curry will be ready. For faster cooking, close the raw banana with the lid and cook it for minimum 5 minutes. After 5 minutes of cooking, you could see the raw banana is 50% done. Just mix it very well so that it will not stick to the bottom of the pan. Again, we have to cook this for 2 minutes so that all the gravy will be absorbed by raw banana. So we have to cook it for 2 minutes. Close with the lid and then take out after 2 minutes. All the water are absorbed, so we have to take out the raw banana and taste it. The taste is really good. You have to try this. If you want it like a roasted appearance, just keep it in flame medium and then cook it for 1 minute. Healthy raw banana green curry is ready. Just we can transfer to the serving bowl. This is full of minerals and vitamins because we have added curry leaves and coriander leaves. Garlic is also added, which will help for the gastric issues. This curry goes well with any type of rice, especially rasam rice. As it has astringent taste, it is really good for our heart. Definitely we have to take this raw banana recipe every week. Try this recipe and leave your comments. Thank you.